Actually, before going to here we will learn about something called zeros of the polynomial. Zeros of the polynomial are nothing but the values of or the variable values for which the polynomial becomes zero. Means what is the meaning of that is, for example, let us take a linear polynomial x plus 5. Here, most of the time, polynomials will represent like this, p of x. Polynomial in variable x. P of x, like that will read it. That one. We can use any other letters also, like g of x, f of x, like that. Any other things also sometimes. Okay, the representation of the polynomial means inside the bracket, if x is there, means the polynomial contains variable x. If inside the bracket y is there, means the polynomial contains variable y.
Yes.
Is it okay? So now here finding out the zeros, so find the zeros of the polynomial x plus 1 means what the meaning of that is going to be there is like if you keep here x values p of 1 means it means simply we need to substitute the x value as 1 plus by 6 means x plus y, whatever polynomial x plus y is there, its value is 6 when x is 1. That is the meaning. Suppose if I keep x as 2, maybe 2 plus 5, 7 means the polynomial value x plus 5 is a polynomial, its value is 7 when x is 2. Like that, if we go on substituting some negative values also, if I take minus 5 suppose, then what will become minus 5 plus 5? Series?
Yes, sir.
0. So this minus 5 is the value of x for which the polynomial result became 0. Is x plus 5 became 0. So simply the value of the variable for which the polynomial value, the polynomial result becomes 0 is the 0 of the polynomial. Means here if it is a linear polynomial, it will be only 1 0 will exist. Only 1 0 will exist. Means what meaning? Suppose if you keep here in the place of x, this is a linear polynomial because x power 1, no? So, so if it's a linear polynomial because x power 1, so 100% one unique 0 will be there, but if it is a linear polynomial.
Yes.
Means what is the meaning of that? If you keep in that x value other than minus 5 anything also, this result will never become 0. So that is the meaning of that. So only for x value minus 5 only. So this minus 5 is called as a 0 of the polynomial. So students will confuse like 0 of the polynomial means should the x value be 0? No. X value, we are substituting some x value for which the polynomial result is given.
Oh,
Not
okay.
the
Yes, I got it.
s. So here now if it is a quadratic polynomial, let us take a quadratic polynomial. So if it is a linear polynomial, it will be 100% 1 0 will be there and that 0 is unique. That is the, if it is a quadratic polynomial, what will happen is sometimes quadratic polynomial may have 0, may not have 0. Like linear, it is not compulsory that a quadratic polynomial should have a 0. Means what? There will be few polynomials. Let us take a polynomial p of x is equal to x squared plus 4x plus let us take like x square only, let us take, or x square let us take suppose x square plus 10x. Okay for me?
Yes, sir.
Some any example later somewhere. Okay, so as of now, Pranavi, here there will be few polynomials. That result of that polynomial will never become 0. How much if we try to, like whatever value of x if you try to keep also, the result will never become 0. So
Yes.
this is not the one, but there will be few polynomials like that, few quadratic polynomials where the result will never become zero. Such type of polynomials actually means for those are the examples where zeros will never exist for the quadratic. Okay, somewhere when we are doing the sums, we get that. Mostly in our 9th class syllabus, we don't have that. Zeros will be 100% there. But for quadratic, if they give in multiple choice, for a quadratic polynomial, zeros may exist or may not exist. Like that we have to. For linear, 100% one polynomial, one zero will exist. So here may exist, may not exist. Suppose if exists, maximum number of zeros will be 2. Maximum number of zeros is 2. Minimum is 0. Minimum is 0 means what is the meaning? Means zeros may not exist. Zeros will not exist for that polynomial. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so now, if it is a cubic polynomial, similar, whatever power of the variable is there, that will only be the highest number of zeros. Like if a cubic will have highest power 3 no Pranavi, so if it has means maximum 3 zeros, then minimum 0 again. For that also there will be a few cases where zeros will not exist. Okay, Pranavi? So we will directly go to the exercise. So in the first exercise, Pranavi, one of the model is finding the value of the polynomial for different values of x. Means what they gave the polynomial value. The polynomial is given as 5x minus 4x square plus 3. Yes, Pranavi?
Yes, sir.
Now they're asking us to find the value of the polynomial for these x values. Means what first one p of 0. X0 means what? P of 0. In the place of x, we are keeping 0. So I am representing the polynomial with p of x and I'm whatever the values of x they gave that I am substituting. So pi into 0, 0 minus 4 into 0, 0 plus 3. So answer is 3. First one value. So the main, what is this 3, Pranavi? This 3 is the value of this polynomial when x is 0.
Yes, sir.
Means p of 0 is 3.
So
Now
P of
second,
3 is 0.
no. P of 0 is
Oh,
P of 3 we will get some other. Means if P of 3 means in the place of x we should keep. Okay, Pranavi?
yes, sir.
It's like this, Pranavi. In linear equations chapter, we used to keep x and we used to find out y. Here this P of 0 is like y. Means this 3 is like y value. And x we are keeping 0. When x is 0, 3 is y like that. The result of the polynomial later in actually now graph plotting is not there for this polynomial chapter. So this polynomial, actually this polynomial, if we plot it, we will get a parabola again. So this is not there in cbse because in 11th class. So if you plot this x value 0, you will have to take it on y-axis. Whatever result we got, no, p, this is on y-axis. Like that, if x is 1 means we'll get some value. X is a
Yes, sir.
means it is there in graph plotting is there in SSC in 10th class, but CBSE did not. For us in 11th class, CBSE will look in graph plotting for polynomial. So now finally p of second one is p of minus means x is minus 1 this time, second one. So wherever x is there, I'm substituting minus. So 5 into minus 1 is minus 5. So So minus 4 into minus 1 whole square is 120 plus 3. So minus 5 minus 4 is 4 into 1 is 4 plus 3. So minus 9 plus 3, which is minus 6. Please check when we need out. Okay. Hmm. 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 Hello. 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 You're mute for me from that time. Any doubt?
Hello, sir. Can you hear me?
Yes, for me.
Yes, sir. I think my mic was glitching. I understood.
Okay, for me. So here we'll go to the third bit. For the third bit also polynomial is same. We need to find out the polynomial value when x is a 2. So first question, p of x is same to that is 5x minus 4x squared plus 3. Third bit p of 2 x is 2. Means what wherever x is there, I have to keep 2. So if I do the 10 minus 4 into 2 square is 4. So 10 minus what was the 16 plus 10 minus 16 minus 6 plus which is minus. So we go to the second question, Tanvi.
Yes, sir. I understood this.
Okay, Tanvi. So second question onwards is clearly represented as p of x, p of y like that. Tanvi, I kept it for the first question itself, that p of x clearly. So in the second question, they represented the polynomial with the p of x, p of t, something like that. Like whatever variable they wish, variable can be their wish. They can use t also, they can use x also, y also, z also like that. So if it is t means p of t, z means p of z like that. So second question, for every polynomial, we need to find out, this is a given polynomial for the first one. Okay? We need to find out p of 0, p of 1 and means I'll write this on the top. Find p of 0, p of 1 and p of. So simply substitute the values. P of 0 first one. Means for every polynomial, here 4 bits are there. For all the 4 bits, we need to find out these. P of 0
So
means
for
the
each polynomial, like for the first one, we need to do all the three. Second one, all the three, like that.
yes, Pranavi, that is correct.
Okay.
So 0, yes, Pranavi. So P of 0 means 0 square minus 0 plus 1. So which is 0 minus 0, 0 plus 1, 1. Then P of 1, Pranavi. P of 1 means 1 square minus 1 plus 1, which is 1 minus 1 plus again 1 minus 1, 0, 0 plus 1. Then finally P of 2 Pranavi is 2 square minus 2 plus 1, which is 4 minus 2 plus 1, is 2 plus 1. Any doubt? Okay,
No, sir.
correct. So second question is finished. Okay, first bit, no second bit I'm deleting this.
Yes, sir.
So second question, second bit. So find P of 0, P of 1, P of 2 is common for all of them. So the equation is P of t is equal to 2 plus t plus 2t square minus pq. So first p of 0 I am finding. So 2 plus 0 plus 2 into 0 square minus 0 cube. So 2 plus 0, 2 into 0 square is 0. 0
Where
into
the
0.
answer is
Pranavi?
the answer is 2.
Yes, Pranavi, that is correct. Then p of 1 means wherever t is there, I am keeping 1 Pranavi. So 2 into 1 square minus 1 cube. So 2 plus 1 plus 2 into 1 square is 1 Pranavi, 1 into 2. 1 cube is 1. So, he may Hari students are making one mistake. Pranavi. Here luckily 1 is there. So suppose here 2 is there. Students are doing 2 into 2 first. 4 square 16 they are writing. That is wrong. Pranavi. First bracket square we should finish and outside number. Okay, Pranavi?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Pranavi. So 2 plus here 1 and minus 1 will become 0. Pranavi. So 2 plus 2 is 4. Final answer is 4. Then next is P of 2. P of 2 means wherever in the polynomial we will keep a
2.
t value. So 2 plus 2 plus 2 into 2 square minus 2. 2 plus 2, 4 plus 2 square is 4. 4 2 is 8. Minus 2 cube is 8. So 4, 8 and minus 8 will become 0. So
Answer
answer
is
is
4.
so second question, third bit. I deleted it.
Yes, sir.
So find P of 0, P of 1, P of. So third one, P of x is given as x square.
X cube.
So P of 0 will be 0.
0.
Then P of 1 is
1.
1, which is 1. P of 2
8.
is 2, which is 8. So I'm finishing the fourth one also here. So P of x is equal to x minus 1 into x plus 1. So we can keep the x values directly in this only. No need of multiplying this and then substituting
Yes.
that. 0 minus 1 into x.
0.
0 minus
Minus.
0 minus 1
Sir, it's minus 1.
is minus 1 into 1 minus 1. Then P of
Sir, it's
1.
minus 1. You wrote 1.
Then P of
1.
1 is 1 minus 1 into 1 plus 1.
Sir, it's
This
0.
is and P of 2 is 2 minus 1 into 2 plus
Sir, the answer is 3.
1 into. So with this second question you also finished.
Yes, sir.
And editing it.
Yes, sir.
Third one, we once read the question. Third one, when writing.
Sir, can you read it?
Okay, Pranvi. So verify whether the following are zeros of the polynomial indicated against them. Means what Pranvi is they gave certain x values Pranvi beside. They gave whatever some polynomial is given and they gave certain x value beside. They're asking verify whether the following are the zeros of the polynomial. Means whatever the x values which they gave, are they zeros of the given polynomial? They're asking us. So for that, we need to keep that x value in the given polynomial. if the answer is 0 after substituting, then that particular x value, whatever the variable value they give, is a 0 of that polynomial. If suppose if we don't get 0, then it is not the 0 of the polynomial. Okay, Pranavi?
Yes, sir.
So here, first question is like p of x is 3x plus 1. Now x value is minus 1 by 3. And asking us to check whether this particular x value is 0 of the polynomial or not. So for that, I have to do p of minus 1 by 3. So wherever x is there, I have to substitute
3
minus 1
into
by 3.
minus 1 by 3 plus 1. 3 and
Yes.
3 get cut. So it's minus 1 plus 1, 0.
So since p of minus 1 by 3 is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 1 by 3 is the 0 of the polynomial. P of x is equal to 3x plus 1. Okay, Pranavi?
Yes, sir.
Means the polynomial value became 0 at the x value. We'll go to the second one. Okay, Pranavi?
Yes, sir.
We'll deal with third question, second. So if you observe, Pranavi, p of x is equal to 5x minus 5, Pranavi, and x they gave it as 4 by 5. So now I have to do p of 4 by 5. So 5 into 4 by 5 is 5. So 5 will get cut. So 4 minus 22 by 7. LCM if we do currently with 4 into 7 by 1 into 7 minus 22 by 7. So or else directly also we can write this. X is equal to 4 by 5 is not a 0. Any doubt?
No, sir.
58 minus 22 6. Okay. Second one it is not the 0. Then third one p of x is equal to x square minus 1. So x is 1 comma minus 1. Okay, Pranavi?
Yes, sir.
So now what I'm doing is Pranavi, I'm substituting the value of that is p of 1 is equal to 1 square minus 1 minus 1 0. Now I'm doing p of minus 1 minus 1 square minus 1, which is minus 1 square is also 1 only, so 1 minus 1. Hence, both x is equal to minus 1 comma 1 or zeros of polynomial p of x is equal to x square minus 1. Because both the values of x, for both the values of x, they gave p of x became. That's the reason. Is it okay, with Pranvi? Any doubt?
Hello, sir. Can you hear me?
Yes, Pranami. So third one, both of them are zeros of the polynomial. Third one.
Sir, what?
For the third one, x is equal to 1 and minus 1, both are zeros of the polynomial.
Yes, sir.
The fourth one I'm doing.
Okay, sir.
So third question, fourth way. So x plus 1 into x minus 2. The x values are, this time x values are given as minus 1 comma 2. So I'm doing p of minus 1. P of minus 1 means minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 minus 1. So minus 1 plus 1 is 0, 0. So how much can we answer?
0.
Then p of 2 plus 1 into 2. So actually both of them are zeros.
Yes, sir. Sir, but you said that there can only be 1 0, right? Of the polynomial. You said that there can only be 1 0 of a polynomial.
Means gonna be, if it is a linear polynomial, only 1 0 will exist. If it is a linear polynomial, only 1 0, 100%. Means it cannot have more than 1 0. This one is also linear only, you thought no, x power 1 y x power 1, that's why.
Yes, sir.
But actually it is product between them. No? If we multiply it, we'll get a quadratic
Oh,
polynomial.
okay.
And that quadratic polynomial, I was telling that if it has zeros means maximum 2 zeros it will have. Minimum will be 0. Means minimum will be 0 means no zeros also possible. Like let us take, now I got
Yes,
that
sir.
example. Let us take an example x square plus 1. This is a quadratic one.
Yes, sir.
Now this particular polynomial, Pranavi, you can try for any value of x here. If you keep also, this will never become 0.
Oh,
Because the reason is x square is there. X square, suppose if you try, this will become 0 only if here minus 1 will come. Because when you add with plus 1, something should become 0 means this should be minus 1.
yes, sir.
So x square can never become minus 1 because the reason is square is there. No? If you try to keep minus 1 there also, minus 1 square will become plus 1.
Yes, sir. I understood.
Yes, Pranay. So like that, there will be few quadratic polynomials where zeros are not at all there. Like minimum will be 0, maximum if they exist means 2, and there are few cases where both of them will be equal zeros also. Equal zeros means suppose if you try to find out the zeros for this polynomial, x minus 2 into x minus 2. That is x square minus 4x plus 4 if we multiply. So for these you will get both of them at 2s only because this also will become 0, 2 only, or this also will become 0. Is any of those two if become 0 also result is 0. So that is possible for x is equal to 2. So in this is an example where equal zeros means two zeros will be there. Both of them are equal. Two values are 2 so. So if it is a quadratic polynomial, what we need to remember is if zeros exist means maximum 2, minimum 0. Linear means 100% 1 0. So here also this is an example of quadratic only. If you multiply, it has two zeros. One is minus 1 and one is 2. Okay, Pranavi?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Oh, we'll write the complete statement. So then since we got p of minus 1 and p of 2 as zeros, hence x is equal to minus 1 comma 2 or zeros of p of x. Third question, fifth bit. So in this, p of x is equal to x square. P of x is equal to x square. So x is 0. So now p of 0 I am finding out. So 0 square is 0. So hence, so this is an example where 0 itself is a 0 of the polynomial. Very few, there will be few cases like this. Okay, Naveen?
Yes, sir.
So 0 itself is a 0 of the polynomial. Then sixth one is p of x is equal to lx plus n. X is equal to minus n by n. So if I substitute it for me, p of minus n by n is equal to L into minus n by n plus n. Ln will get that minus n plus n is equal
So
to
it's like 0.
hence x is equal to minus n is the 0 of p of x. So third one, seventh bit. So p of x is equal to px square minus x is equal to minus 1 by root 3 and 2 by root. So now what I'm doing is p of minus p of first time substituting p of minus 1 by root. So 3 into minus 1 by root 3 whole square minus 1. So what is minus 1 by root 3 whole square, Pranavi?
So what?
So what is minus 1 by root 3 whole square?
1 by root 3 square.
Is Pranavi. So 1 by root 3 square will become is Pranavi. Minus 1 by root 3 into minus 1 by root 3, which is plus 1 by root 3 into root 3 is
Root 3 square.
means how much?
So it's 1 by 3.
3.
3
So
gets cut. Minus 1 plus 1 0.
yes, now similarly p of 2 by root 3 by 2 3 into 2 by root 3 whole square minus 1 in the main polynomial. So how much it will become, Pranavi?
4 by 3 into 4 by 3.
Minus 1. 3 will get 4 minus 1
3.
is equal to. So we'll write here this is there. So only we'll write, I'll write here. Only x is equal to minus 1 is the 0 of p of x. Okay, only this because this 3 not equal to 0. Okay. So that is not the 0, only minus 1. Any doubt? Shall I go to Shall I go to the next question?
Yes, I understood this.
Okay. Third one, wait. So P of x is equal to 2x plus 1, where x is equal to minus x is equal to 1 by 2. So now I am substituting P of 1 by 2. 2 into 1 by 2 plus 2 to will get that. 1 plus 1 2 equal to 0. Hence, x equal to 1 by 2 is not the 0 of P of x equal to 2x plus. So Pranavi, now this model is like they gave certain values of x and they asked us to verify whether
Yes,
they
I
are zeros of the
understood
polynomial or not.
this.
Yes, Pranavi. Now next question, fourth question model is Pranavi, we need to find out the zeros of the polynomial. They didn't give any x values, we only need to find out. So for that, simply, what is the meaning of 0 of the polynomial? Polynomial should become 0 at that value of x. So when we are finding out the zeros of the polynomial, we need to equate the polynomial to 0 and we need to find out the value of x. Suppose let us take this one only. This 2x plus 1, when it will become 0, that is the value of x. No? So 2x plus 1, we will equate it to 0 and we will find out the value of x. We will get the 0 of that. Yes, as per the definition of the 0 of the polynomial should become 0 at that value of x. So that's why we'll equate the given polynomial to 0 and we'll find out that value. Okay, Pranali? Is it okay, Pranali? Any doubt?
Sir, I understood.
Okay, Pranali. So fourth question, Pranali, is find the find the 0 of the polynomial in each of the following cases. So simply we'll equate the given polynomial to 0. We'll get the value of the variable where it will become 0. So the given polynomial is x plus 5. To find the zeros, we need to equate x plus 5 is equal to 0. Means what p of x we are equating, whatever p of x is there, that we need to equate it to 0. P of x means x plus 5. So x plus 5 is equal to 0. So x is equal to is the 0 of p of x. Okay,
Yes, sir. p of x is equal to x plus. Hello, sir. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes, sir. There's a network issue.
Yes. Now can you hear me? Wait. Hello, Pranavi, now can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Now I can hear you.
Just a second, Pranavi. Second one. In second one, actually, p of x is equal to x minus 5 this time. So just we need to equate p of x is equal to 0. That is x minus 5 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 5. Yeah. I think there is more.
Yes, sir.
Then fourth question, third bit. P of x is equal to 2x plus. So P of x we need to equal to 0 actually, to find out the 0 of the polynomial. So 2x plus P of x means what? 2x plus 5. We are equating into 0. So 2x is equal to 0 minus 5 minus 5, x is equal to minus 5 by 2. Shall I go to the fourth one?
Yes, sir.
So fourth one is going to be P of x is equal to 3x minus 2. So P of x we are equating into 0. Okay, so 3x minus 2 we are equating into 0 to find out the 0 of the polynomial. 3x is equal to minus 2 go to the answer. So x is equal to 2. So fifth one, Pranavi. So if as of now, Pranavi, all the bits which are given in this fourth question are linear polynomials. For all of them, we will getting exactly one.
Yes, sir.
Fourth question, fifth bit, P of x is equal to 3 of x, 3x. So we are equating P of x is equal to 0 to find out the 0 of the polynomial. So means P of x means 3x. X is equal to 0 by 3. So x is this time 0 itself is a 0 of the polynomial. Most of the time, if there is no constant term in the linear polynomial, 0 only will become the 0 for it.
Oh, okay, sir.
So sixth one, similarly, this is also ax only. Here, why a not equal to 0 is given in front of it, because if a is 0, this polynomial will not completely become.
Yes, sir.
Then it will become. So now equating P of x is equal to 0 to find out the 0 of the polynomial. So x P of x is x. X is equal to 0, so x is equal to 0 by a. X is equal to 0. X 0. P of x is equal to x.
Yes, sir.
Then finally 7 to 4. I deleted it.
Yes, sir.
So P of x is equal to cx. So equating P of x is equal to 0. Okay. So that means P of x means what? Cx plus d is equal to 0. Here C and D are not equal to 0. Why C not equal to 0? Because reason is if C is 0, this cannot become the linear polynomial.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And Cx is equal to D will go that side 0 minus d. Cx is 0 minus anything is that one will become sign minus d.
X is
So
equal to minus d by c.
it's uh, 0 of P of x. So if this zeros of the polynomial is completed. Okay.
Yes.
So simply here two models. Yes, two models. That is, one is if they give the polynomial p of x, they'll give certain values of x like 1, 2, 3. Find p of 1, p of 2, p of 3, like p of minus 1, p of minus 2, p of minus 2, like that. That is one model. Another model is they'll give the polynomial p of x and already some values of x and check whether they are zeros of the polynomial. So we have to substitute those x values which they gave in the which they give in the clear polynomial, if they get the answer 0, then that particular x value is a 0 of the polynomial. Otherwise, no. That is one model. Then last model is finding out the zeros of the polynomial. To find out the zeros of the given polynomial, just we need to equate the given polynomial to 0, and we have to solve that equation to find out the x value. That whatever x value we got like this on the screen, that one is a 0 of the polynomial.
Okay.
These are the models.
Yes, sir, I understood.
Okay. So maybe especially this